Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will give you a review of Mamaearth range. This range consists of Upton face wash, face scrub and face mask. And as you know, Mamaearth products are very much in demand nowadays due to their natural ingredients for skin brightening and tan removal. The natural ingredients consist of turmeric, saffron, walnut and apricot oil, and they are also paraben free, dermatological tested, and they also suits all skin types. And much more, their natural ingredients repairs sun damage and also brighten skin. And their face mask is also moreover brighten skin also, but also it has anti-aging properties as well. And their scrub removes skin tan, gently exfoliates and promotes even skin tone. So these all these products are pH balanced, and they are also plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. So first we will talk about this, which actually repairs sun damage and brightens skin. So directions for users: apply small amount on wet face, massage with your fingertips in a circular motion, concentrate scrubbing your forehead, nose and chin, rinse off with water and pat dry, avoid direct eye contact. So I have purchased this product for 249 rupees from Mamaearth website. I will share you my referral code and Meesho website link from where you can buy this product in very much good discount. So next product is scrub, which also removes skin tan, gently exfoliates and promotes even skin tone. And application is same as for face wash. Apply adequate amount of Upton face scrub on wet face and take gently on your fingertips and apply in a circular motion on your forehead, nose and chin. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Use at least twice a week for best results. It also contains walnut beads, glycerine, lemon oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, apricot oil, vitamin E, and it also has allergen free fragrance. So you can use this product for tan removal. It also contains turmeric and walnut. So the third range is face mask. So this is also in demand due to its skin brightening properties and for anti-aging properties as well. So it contains turmeric, saffron and apricot oil. Directions for users: wash off your face with Mamaearth sulfate free Upton face wash, dap your face dry and apply a generous layer of face mask on clean face and neck. Keep it for 15 minutes, rub and wash off with lukewarm water. For best results, use twice a week. So you can use this face mask twice a week for better skin tone. And it also contains olive oil, glycerine, curcumin extract, saffron extract, apricot oil, papaya extract, basil extract and aloe vera extract, coconut butter. So all these products are very natural and with bioactives. So you can buy these products from Meesho website. Actually, I have bought this I've purchased this products from Mamaearth website. Face mask cost me 4.99, and face wash costed me 249 rupees, and face scrub actually costed me 349. So if you take this all these products from Meesho website, it will cost you discount from ranging from 60 to 100. So if you have not ordered any of the products from Meesho as of now, and it's your first order, you will get very much discount, 60 to 100 ranging. And if you also for face wash on Meesho website will cost you 200 rupees, and face mask will cost you 378 rupees, which I've purchased from Mamaearth website was 498. It was very costly. And if you purchase face mask and face wash and face scrub, it will cost you 498 rupees. And moreover, if you want to buy a full kit, that is also good range and will cost you 849, which it costed me very costly on from Mamaearth website. You can use my this referral code for more additional discount. You can use this code in referral code to buy any of the products, not only these products, any of the ranges which you want to buy from Meesho website. So thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.